Hey guys, John here at Northway Ford. Found a cool little truck that just came into our lot here. The reason I say it's a cool little truck is because you don't really see a lot of these anymore. Regular cab, two-wheel drive, F-150, XLT series, 5-liter engine. Cool little bomb around truck. Got the full tow package on it. Even included in there is a backup camera. Great little truck for somebody who wants just a little bomb around truck. Don't need a big monster crew cab, full 4-door with all the bells and whistles. This baby retails 39 grand. Window sticker price, or MSRP. Come in and see us. We'll work you a good deal on that. They do apply for the 0% financing. But that's your guy. Cool little truck. More of a rare truck. While it's here, come see it, come get it.